Hi, in this video, let me show you how to copy a document using your Epson EcoTank ET-2803 printer. So step number one to make a copy is to open the scan lid. Take your document you wish to make a copy of, place it facing down, and as you notice here, there is an arrow. It means that we need to make sure that the corner of the document touches the corner with an arrow. So push your documents towards that corner. Close the scan lid. On the main display screen, press over here the home button, and the first option should be copy. Press OK. And if you want to make a quick copy, let's say you don't have much time, you want to get it done as quick as you can, you're going to press this button right over here and it will start copying. If you have a bit more time, well, there's a few options. With the up arrow and down arrow, you can select how many copies you wish. As you see, it goes up and down. Now, if you select the left side arrow, you can select if you want to copy in color or black and white. That's how you switch between these two options. And if you want to have even more settings, you're going to press the OK button. Okay, like this. And then by going down, okay, you're going to have many different options you can change. These are all the options, and to change them, you're going to press the left or right arrow to change whatever it says here. Most people will never go through these, and honestly, for a quick copy, it's way too long anyway. So I'll go back, and from this page, I'll press the button over here to make a copy. It will start scanning. I'll extend the tray. And just like that, it came out. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, check my Amazon links if you want to get some ink bottles for your printer or some paper, and I'll see you in the next video.